In this module, students work toward answering the question, how does motion energy change in a collision? The module is divided into 4 focus questions. Focus question 1 includes 4 lessons. In Lesson 1, students identify evidence of energy by observing a video of moving objects. Students will visit each station and observe the phenomena for evidence of energy. Before the lesson, identify 6 areas where a group of up to 6 students can work. Some of these areas could be outside of the classroom. You will also need the energy station's card set. Prepare 3 model guitars. Stretch 3 rubber bands over a plastic container to make a guitar. Put 3 guitars and the guitar station card at a station. Make 3 model tap dancers by twisting the pipe cleaners into the shape of a person. Attach the washers securely to the end of each person's legs. Put 3 model tap dancers and the tap dancer card at a station. Put 3 noisemakers and the noisemaker card at a station. Fold each of 3 1-meter piece of string in half. Put each beside a wood block. Put 3 blocks, 3 pieces of string, and the wood block card at a station. Choose a space with enough room for students to stand with their arms out without touching their neighbors. Put a jumping jacks card at this station. Put 3 flashlights, 3 pieces of white paper, and a flashlight card at a station.